By using innovative color combination and customization, Motives Cosmetics has developed a loyal following that includes world-famous celebrities and everyday women who simply want to look their best. Today's busy pace, along with the high expectations of modern lifestyles, place a premium on looking your best in a variety of situations. As an essential tool to every woman's fashion ensemble, the selection of cosmetics that accentuate a woman's specific coloring is crucial. This selection process is seldom easy and frequently frustrating, usually involving crowded retail stores, impersonal service, overpriced designer products, and a nagging doubt over the typical trial-and-error approach to makeup selection. Does this ring true for you? Are you craving an alternative solution that respects your time, your preferences, and your wallet? Discover cutting-edge styles, vivid colors, and a wide variety of makeup choices to reveal the beautiful look you're seeking. Motives brings you high-end cosmetics that are made from the highest quality ingredients that are hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic. Enjoy the Motives difference with revolutionary foundations, highly pigmented eyeshadows, emollient-enriched blushes, and much more. Motives offers you the unique opportunity of customizing your cosmetics collection to match exactly your coloring and your image. Not only do we offer a high-end product to perfectly suit your needs, but we also provide a learning experience that can teach you how to maximize your beauty and style. Our customized cosmetics are unlike department stores. We offer custom color matching for liquid foundations, mineral powder foundations, blushes, and bronzers. Our products are unique, customized for you, so you always have the perfect color to match your individual style. Discover choice, innovation, and a customized look in the world of Motives Cosmetics.